Hey guys, this is Pac. I'm a PDR technician out of Vancouver, BC, and I just want to show you this video, this repair I did this week. I'll let you watch it and let me know what you think, but basically it's a Toyota Tundra. It got backed into the bumper and got pushed into the Boxside corner. So interesting thing about this repair is that I was able to use a glue pull off of a post. So basically it was holding a static tension on the low part while I tried to move the buckles down into the low spot. So basically moving metal into the lowest point. But the problem is that I didn't actually know that it was previously repainted, and I know because I put a suction cup to mount my light and I left a mark. So basically that kind of hid the story a little bit on me. I think that would have changed how I would have attacked the dent. But anyways, it got fixed and pretty good too as well, so you'll see in the video. But another thing I want to say is that it took a long time, because it's a paintless repair, to figure out the type of tap down I wanted to use to not damage the paint but also move that really hard crown down. I think the Boxside is HSS. This is what after a lot of trial and error, this is what I came up with. This is an edgy knockdown, and stainless steel is super heavy, and this is a brass 1-inch ball with glue on top to soften it up. So this thing is really heavy, and knocking it down with a Craftsman hammer did the trick, and it took me a while actually to figure that out. So I had some messy bits where I was trying some different types of knockdowns and hammers, but this is what got the crown moving. So a lot of weight and a little bit soft, but still a pretty good radius, like a 1-inch radius on the tip. Anyways, check out the video. I hope you like it. And after you watch it, let me know how you would have pulled it, which direction, given the situation. But check it out. I'm happy with the repair, and the customer is too. So all good. 2 thumbs up if everyone's happy. So here we go. This is the video. Check it out. Thanks. Let's go. Here's a starting pan of the damage. You can see that the box got shoved in pretty good, and there's the posts I'm going to use to hold some pressure. With the light on, you can see a pretty good spot where I would put the pull. So this is with the static straight pull setup, and the first thing I want to do is try to relieve all the energy stored up in the buckles, and the idea is to get it to flow where I'm pulling. This is an idea that's borrowed from our autobody brothers. So I know this is really working because I have to actually really crank on this to get it tight again. I'm back on the hammer again, this time with a heavy blending hammer. Yeah, that's a weird body position, but I gotta line up my eyes and the damage on the light. So this is what I got so far. It got a little bit messy from the exploration of different knockdowns, but it's stuff I can clean up. I was lucky to have a little bit access here. I had a shave tool down between the brace and the area just to clean up. And remember, this is a paintless repair, so nothing removed. We just reshape the metal without damaging the paint. Here we go in the natural reflection. One thing I noticed that the bumper was actually too close to the Boxside, so I used the strap to pull that out too. Hey, thank you so much for watching this far into the video. I'd love to do more. Please like and subscribe and let me know how you would fix it.